Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when it says we can't sign into your account. So I've got a fix for this and how to do this. Let's get started. First, open your run. Just press Windows plus R on your keyboard and it will open this dialog box. Just type reg edit, click on yes, and then it will open registry editor. Here you have to click on view and then click on address bar. After this, it will give you an address bar. You just have to type this whole address in your address bar. Make sure you type this exactly as it is and exactly same. After this, it will bring you to this folder. In here, you have to double click on profile list, and then you have to find this folder. Just right click on this folder and then click on delete and delete it permanently. After this, restart your PC and then hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy. Whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tool. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.